You need to hear this if you're a business owner looking to save time and sanity. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is here to save the day. Imagine never having to slog through those boring, repetitive tasks again. From sorting emails to managing schedules, AI can handle it all. Think of AI as your super efficient assistant who never sleeps. It can analyze data in seconds, automate routine processes, and even predict customer behavior. That means more time for you to focus on what really matters, growing your business. And guess what? AI isn't just for tech giants. Small business owners can tap into its power too. There are affordable AI tools out there designed just for you. So why not give it a shot? Embrace AI and transform those tedious tasks into seamless, automated processes. Your future self will thank you, ready to unleash the power of AI in your business. Let's get started today.